to unlock the golden freedom. Good morning to another present here. I am Dhanush of grade 6B. Today I am going to tell about English grammar and interesting story. There is a family in London whose surname is Grammar. There is a couple, Mr. Noun and Mrs. Burke. The couple has 3 children, a son pronoun and 2 daughters, adverb and adjective. The son pronoun has to do all the work of its father in its absence. The 2 daughters love each other, but there is a difference in them. Adjective loves her father and brother and keeps patient. Adverb loves her mother more and she always modifies her when there is a need. There are 2 servants in the family, preposition and conjunction. The preposition is the free servant, the official servant of his master. Conjunction is the family servant of looks after every member of the family. The interjection joins the family in times of joy and sadness. Whimsical means they wishes to have an estate.